Ministry ya URIMI yugite ni harĩirie kuongerera muigana wa irio cia mahiũ na njĩra ya kuhanda nyeki itemi-inĩ rĩa kunyihia thĩna ũrĩa ũkoretwo kuo wĩgĩmaine na irio cia mahiũ.
As a country we need about 55 million metric tons of feed as dry matter annually, and we can only but unfortunately we can only supply 40% of that, of which 50% of the 40% goes to post-harvest losses.
NIGUO gukinyaniria ndeto eno thirikari irabatara mugunda wa eka mirioni 2.2 niguo kurima nyeki itanyiheire CIOHE bilioni 4.3.
Prioritized 10 feed value chains covering 2.2 acres of land, projecting to produce 4.3 billion bales of hay equivalent or feed at a cost of 3.4 million US dollars spread for the next 10 years and expected to benefit over 3 million Kenyans.
Ũndũ ũyũ ũngĩkinyanĩra bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ ũgũkorwo na bũthi wa irio cia mahiũ ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩaka 10 yũkĩte. Ministry ĩkiuga nĩ irarutithania wĩra na anyiti itemi matiganĩte arĩa mekũmateithĩrĩria gũkinyanĩria kĩoneki gĩkĩ.
Situation now in Africa, let's say in Africa, not in Kenya in particular, is cross-cutting, is that the value chain is not well developed. So we have a lot of post-harvest losses, as in the leftovers from the farms that can be used as resources to develop, to manufacture, to make a feed and fodder go to waste, because that the value chain is very disintegrated. The stakeholders are not working together.
Riboti yonanĩtie ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩaka 2 mĩhĩtũku mahiũ matanyiheire mirioni 2.3 nĩ makuire kumana na ng'aragu ĩrĩa yagũmĩire bũrũri.
Women account for 75% of farm labor. They manage most of the farms and therefore are responsible for most of the production decisions and also the impact on sustainable livelihoods. So if we do not build resilient value chains especially for feed and fodder, then the impact is basically felt in the livelihoods, in the homes.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njũgũna.